Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Arch, your host, and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video I am going to be talking about Elimination Chamber, the matches that WWE has announced in the last week, and what are the surprises that WWE is going to give us from Elimination Chamber. So stay tuned guys, this video is going to be a very interesting one. So the first match that WWE has announced on this week's SmackDown, that is the number one contender for the Universal title. The contestants are Jey Uso, Kevin Owens, Daniel Bryan, Cesaro, Baron Corbin and Sami Zayn. All the 6 participants are quite good and quite fast paced. So thanks to Paul Heyman that Roman Reigns has not been included on the Chamber match, but the winner will get the opportunity on the Universal title on the same night, that is at the Elimination Chamber. So I believe the match will be very much good because we will get to see all fast-paced superstar or all superstar who are ready to give everything on the ring, and there is a big chance that this time WWE can give a moment to Daniel Bryan or Cesaro, because I am rooting for both of them, because there is a big chance that they might get a title opportunity. And talking about Kevin Owens, who is having a bitter rivalry with Roman Reigns, maybe he will have another opportunity at Fastlane, but I don't think that it's quite right to give Kevin Owens again an opportunity. You are not making him giving a win, so it's not a point to give him an opportunity against Roman Reigns. So I believe Cesaro or Daniel Bryan can be the winner of this year's Elimination Chamber, and I think it will be a great one. And talking about the match against Roman Reigns on the same night, if either Daniel Bryan or Cesaro wins, there is no point that WWE will give them the title, but there is a big chance that there might be an involvement of Seth Rollins. Yes, there is a big rumor from inside news that Seth Rollins versus Daniel Bryan can be a WrestleMania match in this year, and if Daniel Bryan wins this chamber, there is a big possibility that Seth Rollins will involve in the Universal title match. So let's see what happens, but personally I'm excited for this chamber match. And talking about another match, that is the United States Championship in a triple threat match, Keith Lee, Bobby Lashley versus Matt Riddle. So all the 3 superstars are really good, and talking about Keith Lee and Bobby Lashley especially, I think this too is going to have a great rivalry if WWE does so. And about the winner, I think that there is a big chance that either Bobby Lashley will retain the champion or Keith Lee will become the new United States champion, because at WrestleMania there is a big possibility that Bobby Lashley will either face Keith Lee for the United States title, or Bobby Lashley will lose the title to Keith Lee and will have a match, one-on-one match against the Beast Brock Lesnar. So let's see what happens. Personally I am excited for this match too, because this match will also be a unique one and a very good one. Okay, and another match that's been announced, that is a Raw Women's Championship between Asuka and Lacey Evans. So on the last week of Raw we have seen Lacey Evans has beaten Charlotte Flair, not one-on-one, but due to disqualification, and that's why she got the opportunity for the Raw Women's Championship. And big possibility is also there that Charlotte will definitely involved in that match and help Asuka to retain the championship. So I hope that WWE gives this time Lacey Evans a big fighting skill. Okay, and talking about another match that can be the main event of the chamber, that is the WWE Championship on the line. All the former champions will be on the chamber: Jeff Hardy, AJ Styles, Miz, Randy Orton, Sheamus and champion Drew McIntyre. So this is an interesting card, even though I will not tell that all the superstars are quite young here, but they have a great experience and a great fighting skill. So it's not very hard to predict the winner, because I don't believe that there will be any winner other than Drew McIntyre. There is no way WWE will make their prize champion to lose the championship at Chamber. Maybe we will get to see a big fight from Sheamus at the Chamber, but I don't think that he will become the winner. And the big possibility is that we might get to see the return of Fiend, involving Randy Orton and attacking Randy Orton. Maybe not Fiend, there is a chance of Alexa Bliss to return. So Personally, I'm excited for this match. Drew McIntyre for the first time defending his title inside the chamber will be a very good one. And I think that maybe on the top two we will see Sheamus and Drew, but at the end we all know that Drew will retain the championship, because there is a big plan that at WrestleMania Drew McIntyre versus Sheamus for the WWE championship. So let's see what happens. Personally, I think that the card that's been till now announced by WWE, it's been a great card, and I hope that WWE will include some more matches at this card. And I also hope that Edge will also be at Elimination Chamber to give his decision. So let's see what happens, but I think that these are the news right now for Elimination Chamber. I hope you liked it. Please like, share, and please guys subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.